How are you everyone? Hope everyone is doing okay. So today's topic is Band 9 vocabulary for writing. This vocabulary you can not only use for writing but for speaking as well. Moreover, it will enhance your vocabulary and you will have a new words to use at the end of this video. Okay, so here comes the first word, that is impromptu. Impromptu means on the spur of the moment or like very sudden. We can say spontaneous. Okay, because like we can make a sentence, because Jane had an impromptu wedding, because she has a sudden wedding, she didn't send out invites. It means she has a very sudden wedding, impromptu wedding. And the next word is negligible. It means so small. Like we can say the difference between the two products is negligible. It means very small. It's very insignificant. And the next word is enormous, huge, vast. Corona has an enormous impact on our lives. Next is zealous, enthusiastic and eager. We can say the shop assistant is very zealous. He is very enthusiastic. And the next word is meticulous, showing great attention to every detail. Like we can say the painter gave a meticulous attention to details. The next the next word is undeniable, with the thing which cannot be denied. We can say it is an undeniable fact that drug related crime is increasing. Undeniable. Elevate, relieve the effects, like we can say vaccine will elevate the corona. Okay, the next word is daunting, intimidating, making you feel frightened or nervous. Like we can say they were faced with the daunting task of restoring the house, huge task. The next word is skeptical. Like when you are doubting someone, you can say that skeptical. Many were skeptical as to whether the man would succeed. We can say that I am very skeptical about his success. The next word is curb, to control. Like we have already shared this, like corona vaccine will curb this disease. Okay, the next word is resentment, a feeling of anger. Resentment of the past caused the man to be full of anger and stopped him from living a happy life. We can say that this. Okay, we can make a sentence like this. The next word is reiterate, to say something again. When you are concluding when you are concluding something, an essay, in the last you can say that here I reiterate that whatever you have mentioned again, you can write it down. And the next word is stagnant, moving. Sometimes I feel that my life is stagnant, it's not moving. And the next word is hinder, make it difficult for something to do something. Like we can say it, like we can make a sentence like Jack's work truck was hindering him from going out. Like there is something hindering your way to do something. The next word is mettle, a person's ability to cope up with difficulties. She showed her mettle by winning in spite of her bad health. And the next word is trivial, a little value or importance. Although the role seems to be trivial at first, a good actor can use it to create huge impact. Trivial. And the next word is irrefutable, impossible to deny. The videotape contained irrefutable evidence of his crime. We can say like this. The next word is deprived, lacking a specific benefit that is considered important. Sorry, I'm really sorry. And she was deprived of school at 10. She was deprived of schooling at 10. You can say this. Next is mundane, lacking interest or excitement, dull. Be willing to do even mundane tasks, the tasks in which you are not interested. Contentment, a state of happiness. They finally found contentment in living a simple life. The next is tedious, too long, slow. After a tedious hour of adventure, the movie finally came to an end. The next word is apprise, informing someone, reporting someone. Okay, the next word is gullible, easily persuaded to believe something. I am so gullible that I would have believed him. Like a person who can believe easily, prerequisite. Like you can say this is the precondition for something. Like this course is a prerequisite for advanced courses. The next word is judicious, done with a good judgment or sense. Without judicious planning, we will not be able to clear our IELTS test. And the next word is dearth, scarcity. Like we can say, because there was a dearth of evidence, the district attorney had to drop the charges. Depart, we will depart from here tomorrow at 12. Accommodation, the company has provided me its accommodation, a place to live, you can say. Okay, so these are the words which you can use in your writing as well as your speaking.